Happy Hump Day, Cardinal Crew. This is Natalie Pollard with the Yeatman Group. We are coming to you here in the Cardinal boardroom to let you guys know of a special campaign that we are going to be rolling out. So over the last several weeks of quarantine, my partner Becca and I of the marketing team decided that we were going to start making our agents do some things that they're not very comfortable with. But do we care? No, we don't. So naturally what we're going to do is make them be in front of the camera more. So we're going to make our agents get very uncomfortable and make them tell us some things about themselves that they normally wouldn't share with you all. So within the upcoming weeks, on Wednesdays, you can expect some new videos featuring our agents in their episodes of Who Dat Cardinal. Make sure you all stay tuned to our Facebook and Instagram so you guys get to see firsthand what our Cardinals are actually up to outside of the office and what their hobbies include. See you guys on Wednesday, Cardinal Crew! And that's the T.
From Natalie
at TYG.